Basu. So I will show you how I did it. So just for everybody's understanding, there was one Kannada message. I wanted to understand what is it, because I don't know how to read Kannada. So what I did is I took a screen print of this by using this screen print software like this. Take a screen print, easy, isn't it? And that screen print is copied in the clipboard. So there is a website which converts the image to text. This is the website, image to text info. So this particular website helps to convert the screen print to a text. So this is the text which we can copy, and then we can go to website called translate.google.com. so here we can paste all this, paste it, and then it translates to English. We can select whichever language we want. I know Marathi very well, so I will try Marathi also. So wow, so it has translated. कडुलिंब पेरल्यास आंबा मिळतो का, फार पूर्वी अशी गोष्ट एक सांग. Okay, so this is how it is. It's very easy. Just creative mind we need, and we being a developers, programmers, we are by default creative. Okay, thank you very much. Let me stop the recording.